Hello, Dujals here. Why did the strongest battleground lose in Roblox Innovation Award? You probably know that Black Spirit had the most vote in Roblox Innovation Award. Yeah, that's true. You know why? Rob, you know, Black Spirit has a lot of accounts and a lot of mains and a lot of accounts that they already never used before, but those account already has both in the Bloxpert. Then the thing is, there's a 1.9 million vote in Bloxpert, and the thing is, there's a 2 million vote in the strongest battleground. Why did the strongest battleground lose? Because there's a lot of people those play stuff like Black Spirit, and they already bought since. Look at here, there's no KJ. That means the strongest battleground lose. And after all, the point of the strongest battleground lose is because they had a lot of account in Bloxpert, a lot of main. Well, a lot of main. Then it seems to be unfair that we never cheat in the strongest battleground just to win that this game against the Bloxpert players. And you guys need to vote the strongest battleground as quick as possible.